This is the birdie. That's not pee, that's water. I'm gonna give him some water. This is how I do it. Ready? Look. Here's the tube. Here's the water. Now, there's water in this tube. Okay? Now, it's okay, birdie. Can you see the bird? Put it in his mouth. He drinks the water. Can you see his tongue? Too much? Okay, a little bit more. There. That's how I feed my little bird. I want to take care of this guy because he was attacked by a crow. He's not blind now. I fixed that. He can see now. After I touched his eye, he started seeing stuff I did. He's not paralyzed now because I smacked him on the head. Not hard, I just touched him. Just kidding, I touched him. But after I started fiddling with him, I let him walk around in the grass a little bit. And he's still alive. He's been here for it's just a miracle he's alive. Been here for about 2 hours. He's a really good bird. I'll show you. I can hold him. It's okay, birdie. Don't peck at me. Ready? This is the birdie. Come on, speak. This is a phone bird. Look at my screen. Don't peck it, though. Moving your little feet, aren't you? Here, I'll let you back in the box. Now, I've gave him water. He has some bird feed and some bread right here. Now, I'll make another video in about 20 minutes. Bye.